You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno. We are looking at how to say the phrase I don't know, but in Italian. How do you pronounce this phrase? We'll be looking at how to say more useful Italian vocabulary. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. I don't know in Italian, in Italy, is said as non lo so, non lo so, non lo so, non meaning being the negative, lo so meaning know that. So that translates as I don't know this or I don't know that. You could also say non so, meaning simply don't know, non so or non lo so. It's pretty much the same thing. Non lo so. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.